Andante is often translated as at a walking pace, but that doesn't mean neutral or boring. It means usually flow, clarity, and a kind of gentle forward motion. It's where the music walks, and sometimes where it speaks most naturally. Imagine someone walking through a quiet landscape, calm but with purpose. Mozart's Andante can sing with elegance, Chopin's can be full of pure emotion, while Shostakovich's can carry quiet tension. Whatever the style, try to keep the original idea of Andante and shape it to the style needed. Andante is movement with meaning, never rushed, never idle, always breathing, always unfolding or evolving. You can find great examples among the playing styles of the grandmaster pianists of the 19th and 20th centuries. Pro tip: use musicaldna.me to help you discover how your interpretation compares to the best pianists in history. Andante sits between adagio and moderato. It has room for lyricism and emotion, but it still moves. As always, use rubato tastefully and keep the phrasing natural and flowing, like a good conversation, keeping the movement. Your way of playing Andante has to always fit to the emotional purpose and the style of the composition you are studying. Always let the music breathe. Keep it purposeful and always in a natural flow. Andante often carries lines with a singing voice. Use fitting dynamics, warm tone, and subtle shaping to let the music feel spoken, not mechanical. But careful, steadiness doesn't mean sameness. Andante gives you room to explore contrast, color, and inner voices. If you coast, the magic disappears. If you shape it, it breathes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon, and have an amazing day.